Welcome! In this training, you are going to learn all the details about what is likely to be the most powerful and useful tool to author DAX queries and analyze their performance. It is DAX Studio. DAX Studio is a great tool, not only to author queries and look at performance, but also to learn the DAX language. Indeed, using DAX Studio, you can test different versions of the same expression, and that helps a lot in learning and understanding the DAX language. With that said, before even speaking about DAX Studio, you need to know who to thank for it. DAX Studio was created by Darren Gospel. Darren is an Australian MVP who created the first version of DAX Studio, and since then he donated DAX Studio to the public domain. Therefore, several developers helped in adding features to DAX Studio, even though Darren, as of today, is still the main contributor to the features of DAX Studio. Now, what is DAX Studio for? DAX Studio was created at the beginning as an add-in for Excel. The goal was to let you connect with the Power Pivot model that lives inside Excel. Since then, a lot of new features has been added, and as of today, you can execute DAX Studio as a standalone executable that can connect to a lot of different sources. You can use DAX Studio to connect to a tabular server, whatever version of tabular you have. So it can connect to a tabular server on-prem, it can connect to a tabular server in the cloud, and it can also connect to the integrated workspace inside a Visual Studio application. It can run connected to a Power Pivot file if you launch it from inside Excel, but the most important tool is Power BI. DAX Studio can connect to Power BI Desktop, and as of today, you can also launch DAX Studio as one of the external tools strictly connected with the Power BI Desktop file. This makes it extremely convenient to test queries or to check the performance of your measures. Finally, DAX Studio has also the possibility of analyzing performance of MDX queries. Therefore, if you are using Excel and you want to check the performance of one measure executed inside an MDX query, you can grab the MDX query from Excel, launch it from inside DAX Studio, and look at the performance. That's enough for an introduction. Starting from the next video, we look at all the features available in DAX Studio.